So, when we moved into our new home last year, I was desperate to update its outdated light fixtures from the 1980s. So, in my search for a quick and affordable solution, I purchased this black farmhouse 6 light chandelier. I was so pleased with it that I ended up getting four: one for my dining room, one for my office, one for the breakfast nook, and one for my family room. Having assembled the chandelier 4 times, I can attest that the assembly instructions make the process surprisingly straightforward. It's not as complex as you might expect. I was relieved to find that it worked well on our sloped ceiling thanks to the cord and chain design. This was crucial for a dining room with cathedral style ceilings. The 67-inch chain allowed us to position it perfectly, hanging 33 inches above our dining room table. With the flexibility to use 60-watt or 40-watt bulbs, this fixture can offer both bright lighting and a softer glow. Keep in mind that your choice of bulb color will influence your room's ambiance. Although we ended up with a mix of bulbs here, the varied lighting suits our dining room's diverse uses. With 6 lights, the chandelier is more than sufficient for us. Personally, I can't imagine needing the 8 light version, as this one, with a diameter of roughly 26 inches, provides ample size and brightness. I mean, imagine 6 60-watt bulbs in your space. That's a lot. I probably would recommend the 40-watt ones. So to install, attach the chandelier arms first, then connect the white wires to the marked little box and the black wires to the marked corresponding box. Complete the process by adding the base cover, and now you're ready to flip the breaker to turn off the power and wire it into your ceiling. A simple, effective, and modern upgrade that works with a farmhouse, contemporary, or transitional modern decor.